Yeah, you don't stop. Yeah, you don't stop. You keep on. Yeah, yeah, you don't stop. Yeah, you don't stop. Yeah, yeah, you don't stop. Now how about this?
Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and in today's video let's check out the OnePlus 7 in the new mirror blue color. It was launched online on the 15th of July and it's now available offline as well. It retails for $32,999 for the 6128 version, and let's compare it to the other colors in this video, so mirror gray and red, and also I'll throw the nebula blue in the mix. So, opening the lid, first things first is this packet that contains your reading material and your case. So you have your SIM ejector tool, your quick start guide, safety and regulatory information, some OnePlus stickers, and a pamphlet that tells you about the new features of the OnePlus 7. Next, you have this free, TPU silicone case that should get the job done for the first few weeks. It's free, it's appreciated. Next, taking a look at the phone itself, taking that sticker off reveals that really gorgeous, beautiful mirror blue finish. And trust me, it looks better in person than on camera, and we'll be taking shots in different angles so you guys will be able to see the color a little better. Booting it up, the OnePlus logo powered by Android, and just take a look at it. It's sleek and it's really good, and I think this is the first time that OnePlus has done something like this, in a blue color. The nebula blue is totally different. We'll talk about it in the later stage of the video. Next, you have this invitation letter from OnePlus. Read it if you want. And you have the USB Type-C to Type-A cable in red for charging and data syncing. Next, you have the dash charger. It's bulky, it's big, but it's 25 watts and get your phones charged really fast. So yeah, no complaints from my side. And that's about it for the unboxing experience. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 7 in this new mirror blue color. So this now joins the current lineup, that is mirror gray and red. So now in between you have mirror blue. Now mirror blue is this new color that it's kind of unique. It doesn't resemble any of the colors or any of the OnePlus phones from the past. Nebula blue is made out of glass but doesn't seem like one. It's like this matte finish on top, but there is patterns created when it reflects light. It's there, the gradient look is there, the dual tone kind of look is there. But mirror blue, it's straight out classy. It's for the funky people who want a blue phone that shines. And the kind of patterns this new phone makes in different lighting conditions is absolutely stunning, and you might be looking at this phone for most of the time at its back. And in my opinion, this is a really good step. It's a good color, blue, many people ask for it, and in my opinion it's just the blue color on top is a very shiny piece of glass, and it does the job for me. If you like blue and if you like this kind of finish, you can definitely go for it. It doesn't ask for any extra money or anything, and everything else remains the same about the phone. So still have the Snapdragon 855, you still have 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, you have the dual camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel main sensor, the same 6.4-inch display, again full HD plus, super AMOLED, and everything else remains the same about this phone. There's still no headphone jack. And comparing it to the nebula blue, as I said, nebula blue is this matte finish and it has that dual tone gradient look, whereas this is a shiny piece of glass on top, so it'll take more fingerprints, it might scratch easily, and if you drop it, it will break, just like any other phone. And nebula blue, I think, takes less fingerprints in my opinion, or even if it does, it doesn't show that well, it doesn't smudge that much. And this new mirror blue color is more prone to scratches as well in my opinion, and so is any other shiny phone on the market. So that's that. You have to keep it carefully, maybe use the case that's provided, or get yourself one from OnePlus, a better case from OnePlus, or something like a D-brand skin, or any case of your choice. It totally comes down to you. And also comparing it to the red and mirror gray, again these are three different colors, so there's no comparison. It totally comes down to you, what you like at the end of the day. What is your preference, what is your choice, which color kind of suits you, you can go for it. It's not available in the OnePlus 7 Pro, so the new mirror blue is only available in the OnePlus 7, not the Pro variant. So yeah, in the OnePlus 7 Pro you have nebula blue, you have almond gold, and you also have that black color that comes. And in OnePlus 7 now you have mirror gray, red, and mirror blue. So again, a lot of options, a lot of choices, and I think it's just making things for the consumer. At the end it's just more variety for the consumer. And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then go ahead and smash the like button. Also let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about these new colors? Which one are you using currently? Which one will you buy in the future? and like this video if it was helpful. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.